Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to scan QR code on any Android. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to scan QR code on any Android, you can simply use a built-in camera app or a QR code scanner app like Google Lenses, or in the most Android phones, like the most modern version of Android phones, you can find a QR code scanner app as well, or you can simply tap open your camera and your camera will automatically detect any of the QR code and scan it. So if you're turning your camera to any of the QR code, it will show this kind of icon. So once you tap on it, this will now read the QR code that has been shown and redirect you to that particular page, which is opened by reading that QR code. So by using this, you can simply scan QR code on Android devices. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.